Hello friends, I am Akshay Srivastava. I am going to teach you maths of class 9th. First chapter of the NCERT book is number system. In the number system, first of all you will study about the different type of the numbers, which is very important and you have already finished in the previous classes. It is the natural number, which you know very well. Natural number indicated by a symbol capital N. Natural number start from 1, which is no counting numbers are known as a natural number. Counting numbers are known as natural number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. It is denoted by capital N. Then you know very well in the previous class whole number, class 8, 7. Whole numbers are the numbers which started from 0. All the natural numbers including 0 is known as whole number and its symbol is W, capital W. So whole numbers you are seeing natural number, then whole number. After this you know it is integers. Integers are the number which have positive and negative both the sign. Positive and negative. All the numbers including 0 with positive and negative sign, you can say that 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to so on. It is known as integers and its symbol is capital Z. Zero is a number which divide positive and negative, left side and right side. This side there is a positive numbers, right, and left side all the numbers are negative. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to infinity. Both the side infinity is there. One side you are seeing positive numbers and one side negative numbers. Both the side dots are given and this dots indicates it will end with infinity. No any largest number. If anyone asks what is the largest integer, if 1000 then 1001 will be there. Smallest is also not there. But in the case of integer whole numbers, you are getting smallest whole number is 0 and smallest natural number is 1. There is a question, all the natural numbers are also called the integer. All the natural numbers are integers, true or false? So you are seeing here from after 0 you are getting 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So all the integers, positive integers are natural numbers. That is natural numbers also in the integer. So natural numbers belongs in the integer. Whole numbers also present there. But if the question will be there, all the integers are natural number? No. Why? Because natural numbers started from 1 and integers has 0 and negative numbers also. So it is false. So this three type of questions you are three type of numbers you are seeing: natural number, whole number, integers. May questions will be there because now this year, from last year it starts MCQ questions. So MCQ questions will be there from the natural number, whole number and integers. Many questions will be asked. So you will give the answer when you know it very well. Now you see what is the rational number. Next one is what? A rational number. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. What is the meaning of P by Q? Where P and Q are integers. When P and Q are the integers. But there is a condition: Q not equal to 0. All the rational numbers are a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q is called the rational number, where P and Q are the integers but Q not equal to 0. This is your rational number. Q will be not 0 because the number upon 0 is not defined. So here you will get very common, and symbol of the rational number is capital letter Q. Rational number. Rational numbers are also known as decimal numbers. Rational numbers are also known as decimal numbers, which are two types. One, terminating decimal, and one non-terminating decimal. One terminating and one is non-terminating decimals. Okay. So here you are seeing natural number, whole number, integers and rational numbers. Rational numbers indicated by Q. P upon Q, you know it is given in the class 8th. In the class 8th you have already finished this. Rational number and the fraction has a relation. Rational number and fraction. Fraction, the whole numbers are numerator in denominators, where denominator is not equal to 0, like a fraction also. But in the fraction, what will you see? In the fraction, numerator upon denominator, but d is not equal to 0, and both are whole numbers. N and d both are positive, including 0. Positive integer you can say, or you can say whole numbers. But here you will get a rational number in which the integers are here. What is the difference between this? Here is the whole number, here you are using the whole numbers, and here you are using the integers. It is the difference. It is the difference between the integer and fraction. Fraction is all the fractions are called the rational numbers, but all the rational numbers are not necessarily a fraction. Reason you are seeing, because fraction has only positive values, whole numbers, but the rational numbers are It may be numerator greater. There is a different type of fraction. This is in the previous class, mixed fraction, or improper fraction, proper fraction. So that is another thing. But here, rational number and fraction, all the fractions are called the rational numbers, but all the rational numbers are not fraction. Why? Because of integer, there is a negative sign used. Negative sign may be -5/2, -5/3. So rational numbers, example of rational numbers, you can see example of rational number. Example of rational number, that is 2/3, -1/5, 7/8, 0/1, 3/1. Like this you can write any example. Any example you can write. These examples give you this is also known as fraction. This is not a fraction because it has a negative sign, so you will say that it is given in class 8th, 0/1. So this indicates that all the natural numbers as well as whole numbers as well as integers we can express in the form of rational number. Again you see examples, last two examples, that is 0/1 and 3/1, indicate that all the natural numbers, whole number, integers can be expressed in the form of rational number, which is fulfilling the property of rational number. Numerator and denominator both will be an integer. Denominator is not equal to 0. It is very important thing. So this you are seeing like this. I was discussing about the here you have seen decimal numbers. Rational numbers are also known as a decimal number, which is terminating and non-terminating. Non-terminating decimals are also non-terminating, but what is the non-terminating decimals? If it is non-terminating, then there is a two type of non-termination. One is recurring. Non-terminating, repeating. Repeating is also known as recurring. Recurring decimals. Repeating is also known as recurring decimal, which is always recurring deposit that you know in the RDs in the banks and other all. Equal amount in every month, RD, recurring deposit. Every month equal, like this. Every same number is repeating infinite times, endless. Never comes 0 in the denominator is called the never comes 0. So you are getting, it is recurring. Recurring means which repeats maximum times, infinite times. Okay, same number. So rational numbers, now you see P upon Q will be two type. One is terminating decimal. What is called terminating? Terminating means its denominators, its remainder after division will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Denominator divide the numerator and your result will be some answer with decimal, and you will not get any remainder after division. It terminates at any decimal place, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. What is the decimal place? So it has a property like a 2.5, 2.375, any number like this, 1, 2.4, 1.7, anything. These are terminating decimals. And non-terminating decimals, example, non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal has a proper example like this: 2.333 dot dot. 3 dots indicate infinite times. This you can write as in the form of 2.3 bar. How many times? This bar indicate 2.3 bar. Bar indicates this under the bar what number is present. It repeats infinite times. You can write 2.32 bar. It indicates that 2.323232 up to so on. So repeating block is 2. It is called the repeating block. How many times it repeat? Repeating block here 2.32 bar, like 2.317 317 317 317 1 2 3 and then 3 dots indicate that it is repeating infinite times, and you are getting the result 2.317 bar. Under the bar there is a 3 number digits, and these 3 digits repeat infinite times, so non-terminating but repeating decimals. These are called the irrational numbers. Rational numbers, sorry, it is a non-terminating. So you will get the non-terminating decimal, repeating decimal, which is called recurring decimals. And some are non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, which is known as a irrational number. Rational, and then you will get the irrational number. Irrational numbers, this is capital Q and it is by P, or some places it is also indicated by capital I. Irrational number, which is non-terminating and non-repeating. It is called non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals, for example 2.310101001 dot dot. Here 0 is going on, but 10, 00, then 000 up to infinity, or 3.71 711 711 7 up to so on. Here 1 is increasing, or you can say that 4.012312